Mugasumi mwancho muligirire bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV Chinsa ni Isano na Ibere litukone lya Ijumaa tariki 25 nemo Matenyo gatano umwaka bw'ekiri 2023 ne aliganire igase studio ngomanyia senchera yobwenge aliagendete gukoreka se orogongo rwa Gusii na Kenya engima neli tukabona mwaziri bw'obulendi bwaime Kithure Kindiki professor aikire bosyobe committee ya Senate eliokurubura bw'obonene igoro yobo tuki obogendrete gukorekana ensemo ya Shakahola county ya Kilifi ayomana yanda mange boigo murai bwense Dr. William Ruto naira returns gosina kana ibango yaye ase kyombe kia wakana ibango gya KRA ensemo ya Times Towers imeye county ya Nairobi na magega yaye kwenda wikase county osasa University ya Meru ase Meru beliende ayomana yanda mange asenchira yobwenge asibali mogotobwate wetera senchira ya online Ndizi TV News Digital abonensemo ya Facebook nabo igo Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube na inde nabogo tweet at Ndizi TV News kwirananda segekeke kirebosyo egera kumanyia yomana yanda mange asenchira yobwenge. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita nolia togo konya na komo korwa sensemende yebimanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta toya chake korwase county ya Nyamira abwase byombe biribyo kwegerera obwene bwa mwanyabantu ne byombe binde bagendrete gwikirania etaro igoro yokorobosemia nakobakwanera abamenyi be county ya Nyamira igoro yogokora goichorerana kwobonko gose mental health unenchere moyogokora emechande koletwa no goichorerana kwa maonko gati emechando no bobekoletwa na bantu weita asamatuka bwango iga bange barorekanire gusiria obugima muri kwito job mangi cross county ya Nyamira nagenda tukubwati roboti rwa senchera yoboime ntuchikonyora mange ekerekoraga ensa ne Chinsa ikomicha bana mugoroba asenchera yobwenge. Kiechio Dr. Mary Njuguna moteneria samangana yuburire bwobonko gosemechando yobonko nigaburiria bamenyi bonsi korose county ya Nyamira yengima kobabwatesia na kobaobosemia abantu bali bamenyete no muchando yo
wataona kama watatusaidia. Kuna in Eldoret we used to have a university that would donate some medication to NCRA. Let's look for partnership ili tusaidie wagonjwa wetu. Lakini katika society, ule mtu unamwona amegonjeka na mental illness, umlete karibu. Umshike tu umhug na umwambie ninakupenda. Na wewe ni mtu wa maana. Kila mtu ambaye tuko naye kwa hii dunia ni mtu wa maana. Tena tumesema wale wako na cerebral palsy ni wa maana na tunawapenda tena na tunawaweka kwa hiyo wheelchair na tunawaosha. Lakini mtu wa mental illness ndio tunamfungia kwa nini ya kuku na kwa nini ya mahindi. Wale wote mmewafungia kwa nyumba tafadhali. Muwalete kwa hospitali, mmesikia madaktari wa Nyamira wako. Tafadhali madaktari wa Nyamira msimame. Wanaweza kwa nafikiri ninawadanganya kwamba kuna madaktari wanatibu magonjwa ya mental illness hapa Nyamira. Msimame msije hapa mbele.
Murai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigairanirie KRA returns chiae ochia sensemo ya Times Towers me county ya Nairobi okwana chingakie echo nigo Ruto arekanire komo chobokoreri bokorwegwa nekyombe gya KRA asense ya Kenya asatebire amangana yoboibi nigo bogendete kororekana asense meyo
collusion wanton bribe taking, and general corruption continues to pervade the operations of this organization. There are many people who are encouraged, who are facilitated by KRA staff not to pay tax. And you know what I'm saying is true.
Chingakie chio Ruto ni gwamo chiriborore kiombe gia KRA asekiria tebire getari gwikiranio gusangiririe bango bune bwenerete asense ya Kenya egento gekoirania amagenderero magega korengana na Ruto abakorie merimo be kiombe kyo gosense mo abakori merimo ase kiombe kyo ya KRA nigo bakare wanchereria enchira yo gusangiririe bango na igo kubatiga abakenya bande babwate bango ya igoro gotakana eyuere mamincha ne katiba amona machiko yense ya Kenya.
You know very well we would be collecting more money than we are doing, but because we have staff in KRA who do not work for the government of Kenya, they work for themselves. And they work for other entities. And their biggest assignment is to assist taxpayers, not to pay tax, but to assist taxpayers to evade paying tax. And there are many examples, good people. There are many examples. If we ask Kenyans to step forward and name the people who normally facilitate them not to pay tax, I don't know how many members of staff will remain in KRA. It has also been noted that KRA has not embraced a culture of supporting and facilitating taxpayers, alternative efficient technologies to improve revenue performance. Let me say this again, and I'm saying it politely. You know that KRA is technology averse. In fact, it is public information that any attempt to digitize, to professionalize KRA has been met by a lot of resistance from staff in KRA.